Game on. Let's wrestle. Hello, Thumb Wrestling Federation, folks. And TWF wrestlers everywhere. This episode, tonight we're going to draw some guy named Garlic Jr. And this is his transformed state. Garlic Jr. is one of the main characters for the first ever Dragon Ball Z Kai movie. I forgot the name of it. But I do know that in this movie, he gathered the Dragon Balls and managed to become immortal. Kind of like what Neo Myotismon does to Lopmon when he wants to become immortal. Well, it's my opinion, that sucked. That's why in the last episode, I had my umbrella up so that Neo Myotismon would stay out of the sunlight. You know, he's sensitive to heat, and of course, fire. And by that, I'm talking about the light. Very dangerous light. By the way, every September, there's this contest where you eat enough of the cloves of what this guy's name is based on. And if you manage to eat all of them under a time limit, they call you the winner. Of course, I too have entered the contest twice. And, well, I've managed to gain 314 subscribers in the past year. But that doesn't stop there. I know in the next 2 years, I'm gonna continue my series to get. I'm gonna continue to get my series to get going and growing. And there, that is how you draw a Garlic Jr. all transformed and stuff. Get ready, because the fight's already begun. There's more coming soon. Now then, let's get punching.